2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD-cc. This truck offers a full-size interior while delivering on versatility. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, diesel fuel, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.